हेलो गाइस जैसा कि मैं वीडियोस वगैरह डालता हूँ, हल्का फुल्का कभी कभी आवाज़ नहीं लगाता हूँ और कभी कभी लगा लेता हूँ। तो गाइस क्योंकि माइक मैं रूम पे रखा है और ऐसे बाहर निकला हूँ अपना क्लासेस के लिए, तो मैंने कहा कि चलो। तो गाइस मैं ये वाला एरिया बता देता हूँ आपको। ये है आपका बेगरिया रोड पे। गाइस लिटरली मुझे ना थोड़ा सा गली में बनाने में थोड़ा सा वो लगता है, ऑकवर्ड लगता है कि बट लेट्स हैव सम ट्राई। ओके सो गाइस ये बेगरिया रोड से हम लोग अंदर की तरफ आते हैं, ये कानपुर बाईपास की तरफ निकल जाता है रास्ता। सो गाइस इधर अगर आप कोई स्टूडेंट है, अगर रूम वगैरह लेना चाहते हो तो इधर आपको रूम्स मिल जाएंगे और बहुत अच्छे रूम्स मिल जाते हैं इधर। और अगर आप पता करते हो, थोड़ा हाथ पाँव मारते हो तो काफ़ी अच्छे और काफ़ी बजट में रूम मिल जाते हैं आपको। अगर लखनऊ में कोई बंदा एरा यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रहा है, ठीक है, या कोई बंदा एरा यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रहा है या आसपास के कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट में इधर पढ़ रहा है, हरदोई रोड पे है ना, और इधर मतलब दुबग्गा साइड, चौक साइड अगर कोई रहता है, चौक तो खैर दूर हो जाता है, बट हाँ एरा यूनिवर्सिटी का अगर कोई बंदा है या एरा यूनिवर्सिटी के आसपास की जो भी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ या कॉलेज हैं, यहाँ पे अगर आप पढ़ते हो तो आपको इधर रूम्स मिल जाएंगे आसानी से, ठीक है। तो इस हिसाब से गाइस आप इधर रूम्स देख सकते हो, बहुत अच्छे और बजटफुल में, ठीक है। सो गाइस और भी हम काफ़ी चीज़ें देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। और गाइस इतना ही नहीं, मतलब यहाँ पे और इजी भी है, ट्रैवल भी इजी है। मतलब रिक्शे वाले लेते हैं बेगरिया रोड से, अगर आप सीतापुर बाईपास आते हो तो वहाँ तक लेते हैं 5 रुपये। तो गाइस वहाँ तक लेते हैं 5 रुपये। और सीतापुर बाईपास से अगर आप कानपुर बाईपास या एरा यूनिवर्सिटी जाते हो तो आपका वहाँ से लगता है 5 रुपये, है ना। तो टोटल 10 रुपये में आप चले जाओगे, एक साइड का ट्रैवल कर लोगे और 10 रुपये में आप आ भी जाओगे। तो ये जो क्षेत्र है ये तो मैं शॉर्टकट से जा रहा हूँ। तो शॉर्टकट वाले में क्या होता है कि मैं पैदल 5 मिनट मुझे लगते हैं, सीधा बेगरिया रोड से सीधा कानपुर बाईपास की तरफ निकलता हूँ। तो इधर गली गली भी जा सकते हो, मतलब यहाँ पर रहने के लिए आपका काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट है। अगर रह के पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, अगर जॉब भी कर रहे हो इधर आसपास, तो काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट है ना। और गाइस अब मैं तो रूम वगैरह की डिटेल्स तो नहीं है मुझे पता, बट आप मुझे इतना पता है, श्योर हूँ कि यहाँ रूम्स बहुत अच्छे अच्छे हैं और बजट फ्रेंडली भी हैं, ठीक है। बजट फ्रेंडली होने के साथ साथ भी और भी कन्वीनियंट है, ट्रैवल कन्वीनियंट है, ठीक है। तो ट्रैवल कन्वीनियंट होने का मतलब ये है कि आप स्टूडेंट हो अगर, तो आपको बेनिफिट पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है गाइस। और ये वाली जो गली निकलेगी ये सीधा कानपुर बाईपास की तरफ निकलेगी, ठीक है। कानपुर बाईपास पे निकलती है, फिर वहाँ से आपको रिक्शा मिल जाता है, तो जहाँ जाना चाहो जा सकते हो आप आराम से। सो गाइज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा इधर मैं ये वीडियो ऐसे ही मैं बना रहा था, मैं रैंडम चलते चलते मैंने कहा थोड़ा सा इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दूँ, ठीक है। तो मे बी इट विल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अलॉट, ओके। इफ़ यू आर फाइंड लाइक if you are searching any room, then you can search here for definitely, and you will get it here, okay. You will definitely find a budget friendly room here in this place, in this area, okay. And yes, that's all about the rooms detail. Additionally, if you want to uh, like search which places are nearby from Dubagga, so you can go Alambag, Nehriya, okay, Singar Nagar metro station nearby, or you have to travel to Chowk, then you have to go wherever you want to go, okay. Because the direct, like if you want to go directly, yeah, I didn't have a lot of information, but for now you can, like if you want to go Hazratganj, okay, so you have to firstly go to the Chowk, okay. From Chowk you have to take another rickshaw, maybe another Vikram, then you will go to the next destination, okay. So that's how you can travel from here. So if you are a job person, and you are doing job in Hazratganj, then it is going to hectic for you if you find a room near Sitapur bypass. Okay, uh, now I have reached Kanpur bypass. You are like seeing in the video. Okay, guys, I also wanted to talk in English, but and I will definitely talk and I will try. Okay, so because I am preparing, like this is service line. Okay, and this is where I am taking to you. This is Kanpur bypass, and approximately it's 100 meters from here, the Kanpur bypass Chauraha. Okay, where you find rickshaws and buses as well. Okay, and I'm crossing because I have to go only like 500 meters from here, where my coaching is located. Okay, I'm not using mic today, and I am feeling awkward right now because publicly I doing this since I created YouTube channel. Like it's around 10 days or maybe 15 days. So from that day I started, but I'm not regular or consistent, maybe you can say. But yeah, I am improving myself. Okay, I am improving, and I will try to be regular, at least 10 minutes, not for and I will, like I am living here right now. As I earlier told you that Begaria Road. So yeah, I am there, and so here I will give informations if you want to, like if you want to. Okay, so here you will search, like in video you will definitely looking, because I am not seeing in the video, I'm not watching videos while making. So I think you will see a lot of things. Okay, and yeah, that's so guys, like if you want to talk me in English, then I will continue. And guys, if you wanted to talk me in English, then I will continue in English in upcoming videos. Okay, because English is not a language. Okay, now it's a necessity. Okay, so wherever you are right now, whatever you are doing right now, whatever you are in a profession or in college, doesn't matter. What matters is that you are willing to try, you are willing to talk in English. Maybe you are practicing, might be you don't know, but you have to learn, you have to practice in a regular manner, so you will going to become perfect. Okay, without practice you are not making it easier. Okay, so I think videos are the great source, and in other words I can say it's a great medium to describe yourself in terms of language, in terms of practice, in terms of information, in terms of knowledge. I don't know my voice is clear in the video or not, but I am trying to make my voice clear. Okay, and as we know that we are students of Indian schools, of Indian education system, where we study in English medium, but we don't know that how to express our ideas, how to express, okay, how to make convo in English. We study, we read a lot of chapters, like throughout our educational journey, since nursery class to class 12, or maybe graduation, post-grad, wherever. Okay, we study a lot of books in Hindi, but we don't know how to make conversation. Okay, how to start our conversation in English, or how can we greet Okay, so these is the things we have to making practice. Okay, and sometimes I travel with, I commute with e-rickshaw, Vikram. But today, like uh, weather is very clear. It's hot today, but because of as I earlier told you the reason that I am moving from, like I don't know the English, like मैं गलियों से आ रहा था आज, गली से, शॉर्टकट से. That's why I started talking with you guys. Okay, and when whoever finds this video, I don't know you appreciate me or you you will make fun of me, but this video is the proof for myself that I have talked or made a conversation a lot in English. Okay, doesn't matter that I am using basic English or advanced. Okay, but at least I made a convo. Sometimes I took a break, or I can say pause in between the conversation. But yeah, this is not the matter of like taking pause or taking break. It's a matter of how you express the language, or I can say how you express the how you're going to express your, like, whatever you have learned till now. So these things will make you the ultimate person which you wanted to try, that you wanted to try. Okay, so if anyone getting me, or if anyone is enjoying me for the first time in the English, then definitely you can comment on my videos that where I can improve if you have the mastery. Otherwise, don't do comments. Yeah, you can comment, you can get comment, or you can give comment for like whatever you wanted to see in Lucknow, or wherever you wanted to go, so I can explore. So yeah, you can literally comment. You can comment. No worries. You can do comments. Okay. I will definitely try to explore from myself, and I will also try to explore you or join you in the video. Okay, if I have the time. If I have time. But yeah, make sure don't forget to comment. Okay. Whatever you are experiencing from my video. Okay. Comment please. Don't forget. And guys, I had joined coaching computer institute where I am learning advanced Excel, Power BI, and the software courses. So I'm not going to show you the institute name, okay, because I don't know that institute allows me or not, because I don't have any subscribers right now. So that's why I am not going to do this. But here I am ending, and guess where I am standing in Lucknow. Okay, guess this place where I am standing in Lucknow, and then you can. So guys, where I am standing in Lucknow, guess this and comment me. Thank you. Bye bye.